In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Steam games not launching on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you multiple instructions on what to do if a specific game is not running on a Mac. So if this issue is happening with a specific game, what you can try to do is right-click that game, go over to Properties, and in here, select Installed Files, where you will find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. What this is going to do is scan all of the files that were downloaded by the Steam launcher for this specific game. If it detects that any of the files were missing or corrupted, they will be reacquired accordingly. So it is a quick and easy way to fix any issues attributed to the installation not being fully completed. After you do this, try running the game again. If it doesn't work, the next thing that I would recommend is that you select the game, and under the play button, you will find this option here, Store Page. As the name suggests, this is going to redirect you to the store page for the specific title that you selected. Once you are redirected to the Steam start page for that specific game, you will be able to see the operating systems in which you will be able to play that specific game. So you can clearly notice that for Counter-Strike 2 over here, it is only supported on Windows and then Steam OS, which means that this game will not run on a Mac regardless of what we do. So basically, if this issue is happening with a specific game, you have to go over to the Steam start page and double check to see if it is supported. So here's an example of a game that will work on a Mac, Arma 3, and so on. So you can simply search this way, and if it doesn't work, verify the integrity of the game files. If it does not support Mac operating systems, then unfortunately there is nothing that you can do. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Steam games not launching on a Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.